What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So I'm going to take a look at Matic. Currently, we're sitting at 37 cents. We're down 8.4% on the day. Market cap 3.69 billion, 24-hour volume 329 million. So we did make a 5-wave move, but we've already broken the 78.6, which increases the bearish probability that you would break that low and come lower. If that does happen, basically you're looking at the bear market low as your next level of support at about 31 cents. As you can see, we had a bounce here as well as right here. So that could be where Matic is looking to get back down to. But if we can push up from here, we get back above the 78.6, then we can hold that pullback. And it was just basically a max pain. But once the 78.6% breaks, it does increase the likelihood of creating a lower low. So the first sign of push back to the upside would to be get back above 39 cents, which is the 78.6% fib level. But as of right now, that level has broken, so it does increase the likelihood of potentially breaking that low and coming back down to the bear market low once again. A little bit slow over the last few weeks. That's how it goes during corrections. We're really waiting for the election to happen every year, which I posted in my news here. Not every year, but every election, the market sees a massive move back to the upside, especially if Mr. Trump gets elected, as he'll pour money into the economy. Then we'll have a massive bull market. So we'll see. But until then, it's likely going to be slow, sideways price action, corrective price action. That's the way it is, and we just have to be patient and endure. All right, gang, make sure to sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America, for trading derivatives. One of the few exchanges where you can trade futures in North America. 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees when you sign up through my link. Top of the comments, join the Discord, where you get my daily crypto analysis as well as my Forex signals. As you can see, in the month of August, we had 54% to our account, which is absolutely insane. So here's how much you would profit depending on your account size. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.